Hello everyone and Happy New Year. I'm holding a handy glass now. I want to personally thank each and every one of you for making this year an awesome year. It was a great year of 2009. We had great movies, great video games, great figures, great things to talk about. But the most important part of it all was you guys, the community, and much more importantly, Transformers community. It was the year where I got more closer to it. I felt like I actually connected with you guys and it was just overall great. Made an abundance of friends. We got, Sean Long, MovieMan 33843, Brandon, Agorale, we got Megamach, we got everybody. It's just, awesome that we all got, a chance to get to know one another, and we made awesome friends. Of course, there were some things that I did not like about 2009, like the fact that we lost so many people. We got, obviously, Michael Jackson. But, beyond that, let's look at some other people that we lost. We got Farrah Fawcett, now we got Brittany Murphy, now we got the ref from Avenged Sevenfold, and, I can't remember his first name, but it was, one of the Kennedy brothers. But in 2010, I got some big things planned for 2010. Let's make it the best year. We got some great movies coming out. We got some great video games coming out. More games that I could ever count that are coming out that I'm looking forward to be able to play. Brand new things that are Transformers related. Let me know in the comments below what are you guys' resolutions for this upcoming year. One of my resolutions? Watch more movies. I'm tired of only seeing one movie a month, every chance that we get. I want to be able to go out every weekend and catch all the movies that I'm missing out. Another thing, watch movies and their midnight showings. I actually want to go see the movie firsthand and then let you guys know if you guys should see it or not. Most especially Iron Man 2 and Toy Story 3. In 2009, I was also able to accomplish a various amount of things, and in that process, I was able to gain hope to accomplish more things, such as bring you guys awesome videos. So that's why 2010, I'll be able to post more videos. I'll make them, great. I'm gonna put a lot of effort into them. Not enough effort to lose myself into it, but to entertain you guys. So here I got the empty glass again, and thank you guys for a wonderful year. Happy New Year. Hope you guys achieve what you would like to in 2010. Thank you guys for watching for the last time of this year. Happy New Year, everyone.